Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we got one good-looking 1968 pick-em-up truck here. It's a Chevy C10. It's got the custom trim on it. It's been body off frame restored, and it was restored with only about 800 miles on it since. It was finished within the last year. So it's a fresh restoration. Leather seats, power steering, power disc brakes, air condition. It's got everything you're looking for. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find the price tags on all the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is one good-looking truck. But underneath, it's really dry, clean. The chassis, the floors, the frame, all smooth metal. It's been cleaned and prepped and painted like a satin black finish. The suspension and steering's been rebuilt, has upgraded shocks. It has a CPP upgraded disc brakes in front. The whole spindle, caliper, the whole system up there is all new. The brake lines, hoses look like they've been replaced. The rear drums have been rebuilt. It's got a custom dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. And check this out. It's got stainless tips. They cut out the bumper for the tips that come out through the bottom of the bumper there. I thought that was a nice little touch. You look up at the motor, it's super clean, high torque starter. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive automatic trans. It's been rebuilt, it's clean, custom drive shaft. Has the original 12-bolt rear end in the back. That's been rebuilt. So underneath this truck is practically new. The body is amazing. You know, it's black, which will show everything. And this thing is slick. It's straight. It's a genuine short box, not a long bed that someone cut to a short box. A lot of people are doing that. It was born a short box with a 350 motor. And I'm looking at smooth, glossy paint. It fits real nice. Everything up here is all new. The grille, emblems, lenses, bumper, it's all been replaced. This is all looking real good. I don't see any problems. The hood is square. Marker lights are replaced. And it has all the custom trim package on it. And it's all new. The emblems, the mirror, the antenna. Looks like the windshield's replaced and the trim that's around it, the rubber gaskets. Although up in the very corner, there is a crack that's not going to spread because it goes from corner to corner. It looks like that there is a crack up there. The side glass, vent windows nice. All the trim's nice. Door handles are replaced. Rear glass, a couple little marks, so it's probably not new, but does have new gaskets. The bed is actually new. It is a factory short bed truck, but they bought a new GM bed for it. Chrome back bumper. I like the red lettering. The lenses, reverse lights, all that's been replaced. 22-inch wheels. The name on the wheel on the cap is DOA, but they're 22-inch. They were just bought when they restored the truck a year ago, and it has Perelli tires on it. Chrome gas cap, a locking Chevrolet gas cap here. Yeah, nice original glass. So there you have it. That's one slick looking truck. Why don't we open it up and take a tour of the inside. It's a good old school metal tailgate, not like all them new fancy contraptions they got out these days. That's where you have your old tailgate parties. But like I said, the bed is new. It's not damaged. It's not rusted. It's all painted black. Has a nice feature there, the red bow tie. And doesn't look like they've hauled anything in here except for maybe feathers or cotton. Nice. That's metal. I even love the sound that it makes. Truck has a nice stance. Now if you're looking at the door over there, it's got the red and black door panel, new handles, armrest, the metal's all painted slick, and the weather strip gasket is new. Now check out the inside. New dash pad, all new instrument bezel, the knobs, the lenses, the gauges. It even has a tachometer in the middle there. We have a retro stereo. In the factory location, it's a digital stereo. The heater controls, air conditioning, that's all been replaced. All the metal's painted real nice. New glove box liner. Factory AC vents. Now this seat is actually glove soft actual leathers, genuine leather, two-tone upholstery. Got new red carpet, and look at the beautiful plush red floor mats. And then overhead we got new visors, the optional headliner, and it has some upgraded retractable shoulder belts. So pretty much everything in here looks new. The pedals, the e-brake release handle, the deluxe steering wheel, the shifter lever, all that's been replaced. Now you guys that watch these videos are sharp. You might notice it is missing one wiper. I don't know why that is. I'm sure the shop has got one coming for it. Now this here is beautiful. It's show quality. That's a fresh 350 motor. It's got a polished aluminum intake. Looks like a Holly carb. The MSD wires were custom ordered and cut to size for this truck. And they said those are custom made stainless steel headers. And then I really like the valve covers and air cleaner that it's dressed up with. And then we have a more modern air conditioning, serpentine belt system, modern alternator, power brakes, all chrome plated master cylinder, power steering. And of course everything in here is all painted slick, nice gloss black. The nuts and bolts and the fan shroud and the radiator cap and the battery cables, everything looks new. Batteries secured properly. So it's a nice looking engine compartment. So there you go, a nice, more than nice, a gorgeous short bed truck. Checks all the boxes. I also just realized this new door panel I was telling you about is actually wrapped in the same glove soft leather, even the red. This is all leather that's on the doors and the seat. So there you have it. It's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to a salesman. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can help deliver this to your driveway. They can help you get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, which I hope you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Have a good day.